你好, welcome to Chinese Begin. I'm Ella. In last lesson, we learned how to introduce your name. And lesson 3, we will learn how to ask for a name in Chinese. 你姓什么 and 你叫什么 In this lesson, you will learn how to ask people's surname and how to ask people's full name in Chinese. And you also will learn the interrogative pronoun 什么 and we will learn the singular personal pronoun 他 and 她. Okay, let's begin. In Chinese, people don't always ask others' full name. Sometimes they just ask for surname. There is a dialogue between two people. One is asking another one's surname in Chinese. 你姓什么? 我姓张. In Chinese, when you ask others' surname, you can say 你姓什么? 你姓什么? 你 means you. 姓 surname to be. 什么 means what. 你姓什么 means what's your surname? There is a girl. If you want to ask her surname, what would you say to her? Great, you can say 你姓什么? 我姓王. Actually, asking only the surname shows a sense of distance. So, how to ask others' full name in Chinese? Let's listen to another dialogue. 你叫什么? 我叫张东. In Chinese, when you ask people's full name, you can say 你叫什么? 你叫什么? 你 means you. 叫 to be called. 什么 means what. 你叫什么? What's your name? So, if you have known this girl's surname and you want to know her full name, what would you ask? Great, you can say 你叫什么? What's your name? 我叫王毅. Now, let's look at the interrogative pronoun 什么. The interrogative pronoun 什么, which means what. It is used in interrogative sentences to ask question, serving as the object by itself or together with a nominal element following it. In the interrogative sentence, 你姓什么? 你 acts as a subject. 姓 is a verb. 什么 here acts as an object at the end of this sentence. So we can say this interrogative sentence is a SVO word order sentence. In last lesson, we learned the sentence 我姓王. In this sentence, 我 is subject. 姓 also is a verb. 王 acts as an object. This sentence is a declarative sentence, which also obeys the SVO word order. So we can find that in Chinese, the subject, verb, and object word order is so common that the interrogative pronoun can be placed at the end of a sentence, serving as an object. We have learned the pronoun 我, which means I, and 你, which means you. Now, let's look at the singular personal pronoun 他, he, and 她, which means she. In Chinese, the singular personal pronoun 他, he, and another one 他, she. Both of them share the same pronunciation. 他. So how to say what's his or what's her surname in Chinese? Yes, we can say 他姓什么？他姓什么？他 he or she. 姓 surname to be. 什么 means what. 他姓什么 means what's his or what's her surname. Similarly, what's his her name in Chinese is 他叫什么？他叫什么？他 means he or she. 叫 to be called. 什么 means what. 他叫什么？ What's his or what's her name? This man is asking his friend, what is Zhang Dong's name? So what would his friend answer it? 他叫什么？他叫张东。Great, he can answer it with 他叫张东。Okay, in the end, let's have a review. In this lesson, we mainly learned how to ask others' surname and full name. 你姓什么？ What's your surname? And 你叫什么？ What's your name? And these are keywords of this lesson. 他 which means he or him. And another 他 means she or her. 什么 means what. In next lesson, we will learn how to introduce nationality in Chinese. 我是中国人。再见 ，See you next time.